What is blockchain? Let's begin with the simplest, broadest, and most straightforward definition. A growing list of records in blocks linked together in a chain. CryptoKC calls it a linked list of records. The more technical folk refer to it as a distributed ledger technology that enables a set of peers to work together to create a unified, decentralized network with the help of a consensus algorithm. What is a consensus algorithm? It's a process used to achieve agreement on a single data value among distributed processes or systems. They are designed to achieve reliability in a network, solving the issue known as the consensus problem. In blockchain, consensus algorithms reach agreement among nodes. A famous consensus algorithm is proof of work. What is proof of work? It's a system that requires a not insignificant but feasible amount of effort, processing power, in order to deter frivolous or malicious uses of computing power. In Bitcoin, the ledger contains a record of all Bitcoin transactions, arranged in sequential blocks, so that no user is allowed to spend any of their holdings twice. This is the double spend problem which Bitcoin solved. And the way users detect tampering is through hashes. And this is how a hash looks. Recall that a blockchain is a distributed ledger, a chain, and that this ledger, a chain system, is composed of blocks. Each block has data: the sender of the transaction, the receiver of that transaction, and the amount of the transaction. And then there's a hash, and the hash from the previous block. If somebody tried to change the transaction, the resultant hash would be unrecognizable, and the network would reject the fraud attempt. Not all blockchains use proof of work. This is Bitcoin's consensus algorithm on the Bitcoin blockchain, which makes Bitcoin immutable, tamper-proof. Blockchain didn't do this for Bitcoin. Blockchain merely ensures you can't change something without anyone noticing. Tamper-evident. If you change it, it will be evident. It is also important to differentiate blockchain from a database. What is a database, and how is it different from blockchain? A database is a centralized ledger run by an administrator. But if we adopt this definition as that which differentiates blockchain from a database, then all blockchains, with the exception of the Bitcoin blockchain, are mere databases, because all blockchains are run by central administrators. They have owners and directors. This is a contentious discussion for many, especially those who claim how significant decentralization is and claim decentralization rules in the crypto blockchain world. But does it really? Join me next time as I investigate and attempt to answer this question. Is blockchain decentralized? We'll peel off those layers. Until then, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Ex pace ubertas, from peace plenty. Exitus.